Picture this. You start your commute, the city is loud, and all you want is to put something on and not think about your earbuds again until you get home. That's the practical promise of the Redmi Buds 6 Play. An entry-level earbud priced at around $25. You put them on and the first thing you notice is that the mids and highs are clearly present in the mix. The low frequencies are there, controlled, not dominant. They don't overpower the rest of the output. The mids carry voice and instruments cleanly, and the highs stay defined without becoming harsh. The volume output is high, and when the fit is correct, external sounds become noticeably less distracting. If you need more from the low end, the app lets you adjust that directly. There's also a volume boost option. It raises output further, though with a small reduction in low frequency quality. That sound, though, only makes sense if the earbuds stay in place. 3 hours of moderate exercise later, the Redmi Buds 6 Play is still exactly where you placed it. 3 ear tip sizes are included, and the fit is secure enough for movement, talking, and voice recording. The earbuds can also be used in an inverted position for a different fit, and they hold either way. Inverting the sides may affect the stereo orientation, though depending on what you're listening to, that may not matter. The passive seal is effective between 60 and 80% volume. In quieter spaces, at home, in an office, it keeps external sounds from breaking through. In louder environments like busy streets or public transport, you'll need to raise the volume to maintain focus on the audio. In those same outdoor conditions, it's worth knowing that the Redmi Buds 6 Play carries an IPX4 rating. You leave home in the morning and come back at night, and you haven't thought about charging once. The earbuds deliver between 7 and 8 hours of playback per charge. The case extends that to 36 hours total. 10 minutes of charge gives you roughly 3 hours of use. A full case charge takes around 2 hours. No charger or charging cable is included in the box. That runtime holds up in most daily situations. Where the product shows its limits more clearly is on calls. The microphone is functional. People on the other end can hear you clearly enough for standard voice calls and basic recordings. It is objectively the weakest part of this product. For music, podcasts, and extended listening sessions, the microphone is irrelevant. For professional calls or situations where call quality matters, manage your expectations. Outside of calls, the companion app gives you direct control over the touch functions on each earbud, fully customizable. You can adjust low frequency and high frequency response, activate the volume boost, use the device locator, note that the locator sound is quiet, and check battery levels for both the earbuds and the case. On the connection side, pairing on first use is fast. The earbuds connected as soon as they came out of the case. The Bluetooth 5.4 signal is stable up to 6 to 8 meters. One limitation to be aware of: connecting to a second device requires a reset. Turning off Bluetooth on the current device and waiting does not trigger a new pairing search. If your routine involves daily commuting, moderate exercise, or long work or study sessions, and you're looking for an entry-level earbud that doesn't compromise too much on sound, the Redmi Buds 6 Play handles that well at around $25. It's not the right choice if call clarity is a priority, but for personal listening, it delivers more than the price suggests. If you're open to other options in this range, I've reviewed 2 other models on the channel. Check those out next. That was my complete review of the Redmi Buds 6 Play. If this is the right product for you and you'd like to support the work I do here, the affiliate links in the description lead to the best prices I found. Buying through them doesn't cost you anything extra, and it directly supports the channel so I can keep producing honest, detailed reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.